Guys, you know that feeling when your computer starts running slow because of storage issues, or you're running out of usable storage in the first place? Well, today we're looking at a budget-friendly solution that might just solve that problem. Now, I've been testing the Kootian M.2 SSD for the past week or so, and I'm excited to share my thoughts. Now, cost-wise, this 512 gigabyte M.2 SSD is on sale at AliExpress, and it is going to cost you a mere £13.89, which right now is a saving of 64%. Now, £13.89 for half a terabyte of storage upgrade is insanely cheap. So stick around and see if this affordable SSD is worth your money. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Kootian M.2 SSD, and you know what? This budget-friendly internal solid-state drive designed for laptops, desktops and docking setups is available in 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes and 1 terabyte capacities, and it offers NVMe PCIe technology, emphasizing speed and efficiency for multitasking and data-heavy applications. Now guys, before we get into it, I was sent this SSD to review on behalf of AliExpress in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have some instructions to show you how to install the SSD. We got a tool, a little screwdriver, we got fixing screws and rubbers, and the SSD itself. Now, taking a look at the SSD, and it looks pretty standard. As I said, it's an NVMe M.2 PCIe 3.0 compliant SSD. Now, the X15 is particularly versatile in allowing installation in various devices, including laptops, desktops, and docking stations. In fact, I've got it installed in this docking station right here. Now, you know, this is a docking station for an iPad, so you can put an iPad in here. And you know what? Pairing this SSD with an iPad, it's going to add additional storage and boost the device's functionality, which is especially useful for professionals or gamers managing large files or applications. And having that extra SSD, and in this case half a terabyte, is pretty handy indeed. Also guys, in terms of performance, the Kootian X15 leverages PCIe 3.0 technology, which delivers rapid speeds, in fact up to 3,500 megabits per second, and improved write speeds for efficient data handling. Now, these speeds make it suitable for loading applications quickly, for handling complex tasks, managing large files, and you get this 40% improvement in data transfer. So you know what, when you're playing games, or you want to install big games on an iPad or a computer that doesn't have a lot of storage, well, you know what, putting something like this in there is going to absolutely increase its performance. And with it being 3.0 PCIe compliant, it offers a lot of performance upgrades over the old 2.0 SSDs. So you know what? Rapid access and reduced response times are a given. And guys, installation is an absolute breeze. I installed it, like I said, into this docking station for my iPad. And you know what? It's simple. It was a case of take the cover off. Basically, there's a little rubber grommet in there, a little rubber which you actually get some included, and take the rubber out, slot the SSD into the slot. It's all keyed, so it makes it easy. Pop the rubber back in, pop this heat dispersing tape on there, And there you go. Pop the cover back on and you're good to go. 512 beautiful gigabytes of storage in this base. So as soon as I connect this to my iPad, boom, I've doubled, in fact I've tripled the space of my iPad. So that's really good. So guys, there you have it. If you're looking to upgrade your storage with a reliable, cost-effective solution, the Kootian X15 is an excellent choice. It combines next generation PCIe 3.0 speed with broad compatibility and ease of installation, making it a solid pick for enhancing everyday performance or tackling intensive tasks. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab this gigantic storage for just £13.89. You can also enjoy free shipping over £8 on AliExpress on all choice items and free returns within 90 days. And guys, you can also use my codes for greater savings. And these codes are valid from November the 8th till December the 4th. There's also a Shake AliExpress on a mobile phone. Just shake to win £1,111 worth of shopping credits. That's a lot of shopping credits. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to AliExpress for sending me this cool piece of SSD luxury to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.